The Sunshine Girls completed a 2-0 series sweep of rivals the Trinidad and Tobago Calypso Girls at the National Indoor Sports Centre on Tuesday.
Slow off the mark again were the Sunshine Girls in their final game on Tuesday. But with 10 goals less than Sunday, they registered a 51-40 win to come out victorious against Trinidad and Tobago. The goal circle saw a bit of missed goals and bad movement, but Shanice Beckford still managed to top score for Jamaica with 29 goals from 36 attempts. Beckford was assisted by goal shooters Christina Harwood with 9 goals from 14 attempts and Chantel Slater 13 from 16. Head coach Marvet Anderson now has 2 wins to her name, so how is she feeling about her team's overall performance?
I'm very comfortable. I'm heartened. Persons stood out. They embraced the roles that they were asked to play. We played 1 shooter short today, but we still were able to score 51 goals, so I'm happy with the performance.
The team will now turn their attention to face Commonwealth Games champion England in a 3-match test series starting Thursday. With a day to recover, Coach Anderson believes our team will be ready for the challenge.
I think it's going to be different on Thursday. It's going to be a high-intensity game. The ladies know that, so they know from the very first whistle that they have to go out strong and hard. And I think they will be ready for Thursday.
Meanwhile, Vice-Captain Vangelie Williams believes the 2-test series was a good warm-up for England and used the rotation of players to find the perfect combinations. Williams says despite slow starts in both Trinidad games, they are focused and ready to meet England.
We're feeling pretty pumped and excited. The girls knew that England would be the tougher challenge, so we have tomorrow to rest and recover, and then we go back to the court also tomorrow to try and fine-tune certain things. So when we take them on Thursday, we have everything down pat.
The Trinidad and Tobago Calypso girls failed to secure a win, but their overall performance was pleasing to head coach Wesley Gomes as they continue to rebuild their program.
I thought we had a good performance. We came with some objectives and we achieved all the objectives, one being to play a competitive game. So this game I could say was competitive.
Sunshine Girls will meet England in Game 1 of their 3-test series starting Thursday inside the National Indoor Sports Centre at 7 p.m. Trishana McGowan, TVJ Sports.